Welcome back to StereoInstalls.com. Today we have this awesome black Road Glide Harley-Davidson in for a stereo upgrade. This is our HSP3 kit from Hertz. Starts with, in the fairing, a 4.900 SPL Show amplifier that's IP67 rated for weather protection, 160 by 4 at 4 ohms, so it gives you plenty of juice. Some of the issues you have with the factory stereos in these Harleys is it's cool when you're like hanging out in the parking lot, maybe jamming, but once you get on the road or on the freeway and you're grinding, you know, the bike's loud, you got wind in your face, they're very lackluster. So that starts with the front speaker, the SX165 Neos. Another issue people have with adding stereos to their bikes is they don't want to add more weight. These have a neodymium magnet, just like the rear ones that we're going to get into in a second, so it's going to give you weight savings over the factory speaker. A large power handling. They're also weather treated, and they have a super tweeter in the middle that gets really, really loud and aggressive, as well as a really nice pro audio mid bass. So it's a coaxial, and it covers all the frequency ranges that you want when you're riding on the freeway. In the back, this bike did not have lid speakers. So this is part of the HSP3 kit. This is the cut-in lid kit. These beautiful Hertz grills. Inside of there is the matching SX690 Neo 6x9s that match the fronts. These are a 3-way coaxial. Same thing, pro audio, water treated, and then 2 super tweeters inside of it. Underneath the belly of all this, we have a power harness, a signal harness that wires right up to the factory radio really seamlessly, as well as in the back, if you come here, quick disconnect wiring to each side that's labeled in the kit. So if you have this kit and you want to put it in yourself and you don't want to come into the shop or you're a DIYer, you can do that also. Very, very, very enveloping, covering all bases type of motorcycle kit. When you get on the freeway, this bad boy starts cranking, you're going to have that encompassing feeling of sound that you want at high speeds with the wind coming up. I mean, it's just a beautiful, 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 very powerful system for your bike that's virtually kind of plug and play and does not look really like there's anything extra in the bike. It looks very OEM and factory. This bike kept the factory radio. So a lot of people that come in will get the Soundstream Reserve radio or the V2 or the Diamond Audio or the Rockford. If you want really, really awesome sound quality, we'll do a double DIN radio with like a Sony XAV 9000 ES that has really awesome RCA pre-outs and the best sound quality possible. But this gentleman really liked the functionality and the ease of its factory head unit. So we flashed it to accept the aftermarket system. That's an option that we give here at the shop as well. Let's give this bike a listen. If you want something like this for your motorcycle, come visit us at our shop, 7471 Tyler Boulevard, Unit B in Mentor, Ohio. We install everything in-house. We have everything in stock ready to put in your motorcycle. We ship in the lower 48. Visit us at www.stereoinstalls.com. Stop down, and we'll see you on the next ride.